In this video, you'll learn how to optimize your content for the Google featured snippets. In particular, we'll look into optimizing how-to and list posts, direct answers, and rich snippets. We'll start with the most popular type, which is optimizing your how-to and list posts. Google loves to show lists in its search results. Search for any query that is related to how-to or list type of post, and notice how the Google featured snippet is adapted to show lists. Here's an example. What is nice about this is that there is a way to get your list to show as a featured snippet and dramatically increase your click-through rate. Follow these steps. Make sure that you place your list high in your post. It doesn't have to be at the very top, but try not to bury the list in the content. Add an optimized H2 or H3 heading as the list title. Make it specific. If the list is about SEO tips, then name the list Best SEO Tips or something related, but keep it short and to the point. Make sure that each list item is an H2 or H3. Keep the list item titles short and specific. Use UL and LI tags for the list items. Don't use tables or paragraphs, but use the UL HTML tag to help Google crawlers understand that it's a list. When you follow the above steps, and provided that your page already appears on the first page of Google for a specific query, you'll have more chances of appearing on the first position of the results as a featured snippet. If you want to take it a step further, make sure that you create named sections within your list by adding the ID attribute to a list item like this. This makes the particular named section accessible directly through the post URL, and Google picks that up and enriches the presentation of your snippet with post site links as shown in the example. Another very easy technique is to optimize your content for the direct answers box. When you type a question in Google, you'll notice that sometimes it gives you a direct answer with a link to learn more. To increase your chances of getting picked up, you need to target question-based keywords. Summarize the answer of a question or query in one paragraph. Place the paragraph at the beginning of the content and above the fold. Look at the example on the right. In my post, I targeted the question, "Is SEO hard to learn?" and I gave a direct answer in the opening paragraph. In the rest of the content, I have explained the reasoning. A good way to find questions to answer is to look at the People Also Ask section of the search results. Questions listed there are great candidates for the direct answers box. Last but not least, let's look at rich snippets. Rich snippets are an enhanced version of a normal search snippet that usually includes graphical elements like images, review stars, and other visual enhancements. Search for any recipe on Google and you'll see rich snippets in action. The process of getting a rich snippet is a bit technical, and you may need the help of a developer, but it's definitely worth it because websites appearing as rich snippets get more clicks and traffic. In summary, the steps are: Step 1. Choose the right schema. There are a number of Google-supported schemas covering a range of content types, including articles, recipes, reviews, local businesses, and many more. Step 2. Write your script. For each schema type, Google provides guidelines as to what to include in your script. Study the guidelines, write your structured data markup, and add it to your website. Step 3. Test your implementation. Use Google's Rich Snippet Test tool to test that there are no errors in your script. Step 4. Use Google Search Console reports to monitor the performance of your rich snippets.